These are baby radish plants, also known as micro radish. In this video, watch these baby radish plants come to life in a stunning time lapse. To grow these vibrant little greens, it all starts with tiny radish seeds. These radish seeds are an average size of 2 millimeters wide with a mix of reddish brown and purple color. But how do these seeds transform into vibrant little plants? Watch and find out. This is the final result, a cube of beautifully grown micro radish. Starting from the bottom, you can see the root structure is nice and white and have grown to the bottom depths of the container in only a few days. The stems have a fluorescent appearance and are just as beautiful as the leaves. These baby radishes are beautiful to look at, easy to grow, and nutritious to eat. What more can you ask for? If you've enjoyed this time lapse and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. This is House of Plants. Thanks for watching.